Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. The ICP chart has reacted to the last two support regions that we talked about, and specifically here this internal B wave support area was very profitable for anybody who was looking for a position in this area, and now we are moving up in quite a direct fashion in what I consider to be a C wave within wave 3. It can go higher. I always highlight that for a third wave, the first ideal target is the 138% Fibonacci extension. So as you can see, we've reached that 138% extension. We can easily go higher. So I think it's a good time now to add additional extensions now that we've arrived at what I would consider the first ideal target for the third wave. All you need to know is actually two things, right? You need to know that, first of all, support for a possible fourth wave is between $11.36 and $9.40. Now, again, I'm not telling you that we will test this area, that there will be a pullback from here. There could be. I can tell you that this wave count that I have been talking about now for a while, it's actually increased in probability given that we've now reached the first ideal target for a third wave. It's like milestones. As these milestones are reached, probabilities show that this wave count should also continue, right? And the wave count gets confirmed and confirmed further as each milestone is reached, and it means that we're riding the correct wave, okay? Now the next pullback could be a wave 4, but again, I'm not telling you this pullback is gonna happen. It just highlights the risk area. It highlights that to keep the wave count alive, we need to stay above 940. That's naturally quite far away. But it also means that if we get a pullback into this area, there is a setup. For now, we could easily still go higher. If I go to the 1 hour chart, you see there is absolutely no weakness at the moment on the smaller time frame. And the next upside levels are $18 and $20.17. Now, what you might want to do is maybe you want to add a trend line here. I mean, that can help a little bit, right? Elliott wave doesn't really use trend lines much, but this could be a trend line for those who are looking for short-term information about a chart. Short-term signal, a break below the trend line might be a first signal that the pullback has started, but it might not yet be this wave 4. Yeah, because this is not a signal that a wave 4 has started. It's just a signal that the immediate uptrend that's currently running in what you could even consider a channel, that this is slowing down. And okay, maybe it is a wave 4, but we would need more evidence for that then. All I can say at the moment, the risk has become high now that we have moved from a support region where risk is typically low, because it's all about the reward to risk ratio. The risk has increased right now that we're far away from support. But the third wave, I think there's a good chance it increases, or not increases, but the price extends further. As I said, possibly to $18 or $20.17 wouldn't be unusual in a third wave to see that level reached. And then, the fifth wave should then even take us higher. And if we zoom out a little bit further, I can't really give you, let's say, a bull market target, but what we consider a reasonable target is $43 as next milestone for wave 5. That's based on the length of the initial move up, which was a 5-wave move, and then measured against the beginning of a possible C wave. Then we talk about the 100% extension, and that points to $43. Again, that's the first target. That's basically the larger time frame target. On the smaller time frame, we have this small blue box there, which gives us the next levels. But when we look at the bigger picture, it seems reasonable that, to expect a larger 3-wave move that could reach at least $43. So that's the update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.